Hi everyone, this is Yvette from My World of Metaphysics, and if you're wondering why I'm outside in front of my house, hey, you're in for a treat. Today I'm going to talk about protecting your house using black salt. Now this is something very simple, you guys, that you can use to protect yourself from those bad neighbors, okay, that you just can't stand. Or maybe it's some of your relatives that are coming in and out, bringing that negative energy. Then again, maybe it's just your entire house just so full of negative energy, you just want to cleanse it and make sure it stays cleansed. Now, the first thing I want to tell you is black salt and Feng Shui is a must. Okay, if you're talking about protection rituals, anything where you're protecting yourself, black salt is the way to go, everyone. Now, before I take you back in, I want to show you what it is you can do with the salt on the outside, okay? Now, I'm just showing you the salt, okay? So now, what are you gonna do is take a sprinkle of the salt out of the bag, just a sprinkle, okay, you guys? And you're going to sprinkle it outside of your house. You're going to walk around the perimeter of your house. Now, I live in a townhouse, so I may start from my garage to my door, sprinkling black salt around the perimeter. Then I will go to the back of my townhouse and I will sprinkle it from the perimeter of my house, my townhouse, across the line, okay? This is basically placing a barrier around your house, protecting it from whatever it is. Now, listen, you just don't go out there and just sprinkle black salt all around, okay? You have to set the intent for whatever it is that you're trying to do. So I might walk around with the black salt and I might say the 23rd Psalm, the Lord is my shepherd, I shall not want. Or I might say the 121 Psalm, I look to the hills which cometh my help cometh from the Lord that made heaven and earth. So any of these Psalms you can walk around. Not only that, you can walk around your house as you're doing this and you can just say a prayer to God, the universe, the archangels. Archangel Michael is the protector, you guys. So you can absolutely say a prayer like, thank you, God, as I walk around my house, I am protecting my house from all those that come in and all those that go out. Any negative energy is blocked at this point, leaving my house with anyone coming in with nothing but positive energy. And if they are coming in with negative energy, when they leave, they will not come back. It is just that simple. Say whatever it is you feel, whatever it is you want to say that's in your heart, that's on your mind, and guess what? You don't have nothing else to worry about. Now, if there's a particular person, this is a tip, you guys, that you really want to get rid of, you can absolutely, as you walk around the perimeter of your house, you can mention that person's name. You can say something like, as I sprinkle this black salt around my house, in the front, in the back, on the sides, I am protected from Billy Bob. Billy Bob could no longer enter my house, and if he do, any negativity that is on him will be dispersed. Now, all of these things you can absolutely do when you are sprinkling black salt. So listen, don't write me and say, Yvette, can you give me a prayer to say? Listen, be creative because everyone has something different that they need to say. Okay? So now, besides walking around your house and saying a prayer and saying the actual person's name, you can absolutely take the black salt and put it in the four corners of the outside. This wouldn't be a sprinkle. This would be maybe a teaspoon in each corner, protecting my house from all angles, okay? So if you get what I'm saying, please be creative, have fun. Black salt is a must. Now, let me get to the next technique. But before I do, I want to introduce you to a product that is all about protection. So stay with me for a couple of seconds while I introduce this product to you. Now that we spoke a little bit about protecting your home, and we will get back to that, let me speak a little bit about protecting your wallet. This is the Ridge wallet, everyone. If you're concerned about people walking by your wallet, scanning your pocketbook to get your credit card information or your back pocket, this is the wallet to have. This wallet right here is compact, you guys, and it can hold up to 12 cards, whether it's your ID card or your credit card. This comes in 30 different colors, and it comes with either a money strap or a money clip. Now, what makes this so important and special is that it comes with RFID blocking, meaning those people that are walking around trying to get your information will be blocked. Now, if you like this product and you're concerned about your credit card information, please, this video is tagged with this product and use the code YouTube10. Again, that's YouTube10, okay, to get a 10% discount. Now, let's get back to the original video on protection using black salt. I'm back, everyone, with the black salt. Now, earlier I spoke to you about going around the home, protecting your home using the black salt, okay? Or lining the doors of your house with the black salt. Now, one thing I want to tell you as a tip, and that is if you have a home, a house, and you walking around it in a circle, I want you to do that circle counterclockwise, okay? Because we're keeping negative energy from us. So I want you to do it in the opposite direction. Go counterclockwise around your home. If you're in a townhouse or an apartment, just go across and line the door as I stated earlier. Now, I also mentioned putting salt in the four corners. You can just place the salt in the four corners of your home. And again, this is a way to protect your home. Now, what are some other ways that I would protect my house using black salt? Now, one thing you can do is actually place black salt in some glass container and place it near your bed while you sleep. Now, it will absorb that negative energy that you may have picked up while working, while confronting family members or neighbors that you don't like. It'll pick that up and allow you to have a peaceful sleep. Now, another way of clearing that negative energy from around you while you're sleeping is placing it under your bed. Now, listen, it could be placed under your bed near your head, in the middle of your body. And if there's two people in the bed and the conflict is between the two people, you might want to place it under the bed in the middle of the two people. Okay? It is just that simple. Now, again, black salt is just that small. So basically, you would not see it if you are in someone's home. Okay? So now another way of protecting your home with the black salt, and that is lining your windows and your doors, okay? This is just as simple. You're not going to take a lot of salt to do this. You're just going to take a couple of sprinkles, okay, of the black salt and line the windows, okay? And line your front door, your patio door, your basement door. And at the same time, again, while you're doing this, you're setting the intent of protecting your home using Archangel Michael, God, the universe, your higher self. As I sprinkle this around my front door, anything coming in, I am being protected. At the same time, this house is being protected from all negative energy. It is just that simple, you guys. Whether you're lining your windows, lining your doors, lining the outside of your house, placing it near your on your nightstand or by your bed at night while you sleep or under your bed, it is all powerful. Now, the last thing I want to tell you that you could do with black salt, and again, it is very simple. If you want to protect your money, everyone, you can actually sprinkle a little bit of black salt near your money, okay? We also do it with sea salt to cleanse away that negativity and actually help it bring in positive energy, positive things into your life. So when it comes down to protection, black salt is powerful, you guys. It is one of the most powerful things that you can use. You can use it in sachet bags. You can use it in your money jar. You can use it around the house. You can use it as a decoration around your house in an area where there's a lot of people that meet up. All of these things can be done. And I'm telling you right now, this is the thing to use. Remember, black salt is not used for cooking, you guys. It's not used for eating and ingesting, you guys. It is just used for the ritual. So again, you guys, I just gave you some simple information to help you protect your home. At the same time, I gave you some information to protect your wallet. Again, if you want that wallet, please, it's tagged. Please go there and don't forget to use YouTube 10 to get that 10% discount. If you want to know anything about my world of metaphysics, everything is in the description. Again, this is Yvette, and namaste.